The next soil that we are having, that is the arid soil. By the name only we can understand the characteristics of the arid soil only. Arid soil we can see in the regions where the temperature is very high as well as amount of the rainfall is also less. The meaning of the arid means it is a dry as well as high temperature region. The meaning of the arid is temperature will be high in that region as well as the region will be dry, less amount of the rainfall or no rainfall will be there. So what are the basic characteristics of the arid soil? In case of the arid soil, we can see that arid soils are found in the very less rainfall zones of India. We can see that the arid and the semi-arid conditions are present in India, especially the western part of the Rajasthan, parts of Gujarat also can be included because these regions are having the arid soil. Generally, arid soil, we can see that in the arid soil, the nature of the soil or the texture of the soil is sandy soil. In Rajasthan desert, in the last year when we read about the Indian desert, we read that Indian desert is composed of the sandy soil. So the arid soil, the structure of the arid soil is sandy only. Obviously, sand is sandy, and as well as due to the less amount of the rainfall, lack of soil moisture is present. As well as due to the very high amount of the temperature, the humus is also not present over there. This arid soil or the sandy soil contains huge amount of the salt itself. In case of this kind of the soil, the wind activities that is going on every time, the deposition of this soil is occurred due to the wind activity only. The color is red to the brown of the color of the soil, and in this particular soil we can find the conchars are present. We know the conchars are the calcium carbonate components which restricts the infiltration of the water in the soil. That's why you will find in the Rajasthan desert area the water scarcity is there. The first thing, it is the arid region or the semi-arid region. Second thing, in case of this kind of the soil is sandy in nature, salt is present in the soil, moisture is very less in the soil, humus is present less present over here because of the temperature, and this is done or this is deposited by the basically the wind activities. As well as we can see the color of the soil is the red to brown the color, and it is made with the impure calcium carbonates, and which is actually locally known as the conchar, which restrict the infiltration of the water in the soil. And we found this one in the western part of the Rajasthan as well as little bit part of the Gujarat can be. Now in case of the map, you can see it shows the western part of the Rajasthan. This is called Indian Marusthali also, or Indian desert, third desert. Over here we can see that this desert soil can be found, or the arid soil. The other name of the arid soil we can say it is the desert soil also. The color of the soil, it's red to brown, it's generally sandy in texture and saline in nature, that means salt are present. In some areas salt contents are very high, in some areas like salt content is less. Why the salt content is very high? Because due to the evaporation of the water evaporated from these areas, and generally when the evaporation occurred, that time from inside of the soil, whatever salt particles were diluted with the water, now the water is evaporated, the salt remain. So the common salt obtained by evaporating the water also in this region, because this region having a high amount of the high amount of the availability of the salt. Due to the dry climate and the high temperature, the evaporation is faster in this region, and the soil doesn't have the humus content due to the lack of the moisture. In case of this kind of the soil, in the lower layers we are having the conchars. Conchars is the calcium carbonate contains, and due to the presence of the conchars only, it restricts the infiltration of the water. And now you will find in the Rajasthan deserts also crops are growing. Why? Because they are using the irrigation. After doing the proper irrigation, these lands became cultivable in the western part of the Rajasthan. So this is also can come as a 3 marks question, like write a short note on the arid soil of India.